Hey there, my name is Lauren, your resident beauty enthusiast, and I'm here today to teach you a little bit more about MŌDA's 5-piece ice cream full face kits. So summer is almost here, and these brush sets definitely 100% will help you channel the warm weather vibes. They are quite possibly also some of the cutest brushes I think that MŌDA has ever made. So each of these brush sets comes with 4 makeup brushes as well as a cute little hollow makeup bag that you can use to store them in or to carry some essentials with you on the go. And the design of these brushes look like little ice cream cones. I cannot. So first you have the complexion brush. This is a very soft, dense buffing brush that's really great for applying powder, cream, or liquid foundation. This is what I used to apply my foundation today, and it just buffs things out really effortlessly. Then next you have the powder brush. This is a great little multitasker because of the size. So you could use it to set down your makeup or your under eye area with a pressed powder or a translucent loose setting powder. Or you could use this to warm up your complexion with some bronzer, which is what I did today. Just take it around the perimeter of your face or swipe it onto your cheeks. Then you have 2 smaller brushes in this set, the angle blender and the detail brush. You could use both of these on the eyes. I really like to use the angle blender for applying eye primer to my lid. It's really great for buffing out, especially primers that have a bit of a colored base. It's also a really great brush for blending out concealer in your under eye area, which is what I did today. You can just use some light little tapping motions to pat the product in and buff it out. And the detail brush I think is really awesome whether you want to buff some color onto your lower lash line or apply a little bit of highlight to the inner corner of your eye. As is the case with all MŌDA brushes, the brushes in this set are entirely vegan and cruelty-free. They're made with all synthetic fibers. They can be used with cream, liquid, or powder products, and they wash really, really well. They're very easy to take care of, and they're super affordable.